Today, we are going to talk about how we can use BryteFlow to liberate your SAP data to the cloud for analytics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence initiatives. SAP data can then also be easily augmented with external data. BryteFlow builds an automated SAP data lake on Amazon S3 using Amazon EMR, which provides unlimited scalability and concurrency at a low cost. Let's start with an overview of the BryteFlow software for SAP on AWS. BryteFlow consists of two modules, BryteFlow CDC and BryteFlow Blend. BryteFlow CDC allows continuous replication of SAP objects that are configured to be replicated to Amazon S3. It has zero impact on the SAP source, and it maintains full history of every transaction on Amazon S3. It converts complex data types like GUID effortlessly and has a number of automated conversion features like converting dates stored in character and decimal formats to the correct date formats. It employs the best practices for security on Amazon S3 and has inbuilt functionality to handle large data volumes. BryteFlow Blend allows data preparation on the raw SAP data, with an inbuilt SQL editor that converts SQL to scalable Hadoop Spark code. It helps creating data assets that can persist on Amazon S3, which can optionally be exported to Amazon Redshift or Aurora. It integrates with other native AWS services and provides a data-as-a-service platform for SAP data. Now, let's see them in action. This is a BryteFlow CDC dashboard. It shows you the source and destination configuration status. For this demo, we are working with a SAP CRM module. We are going to replicate the relevant SAP objects and build a business transaction data asset with a few clicks, letting the BryteFlow software do all the hard work. The data asset is just a simple building block used as a demonstration, but can be as complex or customized as required. Business consumers can access approved data assets without having to navigate the intricacies of SAP. Any number of such assets can be built as per the use case requirements. With this screen, you choose the data objects that you want to replicate. We have chosen the business transaction header and item tables for replication. These have been coupled to the Bryte schema from the SAP schema, just for the ease of this demo. Configure these tables with history and choose the primary keys for the tables. Columns can also be masked to stop them from being replicated if they contain sensitive information. Then, it is just a matter of scheduling the replication to Amazon S3 to build your data lake. Now, we will build the SAP data assets using BryteFlow Blend. We have two inputs to the transaction data asset, the header table and the item table. Both these tables have been replicated using BryteFlow CDC, and they are now available on Amazon S3 as a constantly updated replica from SAP. We can configure the load from S3 tasks to point to these objects on S3. Next, we build the transaction data asset. We invoke the SQL editor and include the SQL. Behind the scenes, BryteFlow Blend will convert this to scalable Spark code. Please note the highlighted field in the SQL. This is an automated data type conversion of a date field that occurs with the replications. Results from the Spark SQL query task then are persisted on Amazon S3 in the configured folder. The persisted data asset can then be exported to Amazon Redshift or Aurora. This concludes the demo of the BryteFlow product for automating your SAP data lake on Amazon S3.